Hi everyone, I am back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to get private key from Trust Wallet. In order to get private key from Trust Wallet, you have to follow the simple steps. So first of all, what you have to do is you need to go and log in into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. From the home page, press the icon and go to wallets. Here press the three-dot icon and go to manuals or maybe Google Drive, and then you'll be able to see your secret fees. So right over there you could go ahead and copy your secret fees. Now there's no such direct way of copying it, however you could just take a note of it and then you could go ahead and, or else you could just go ahead and take a picture of it. Once you've done that, you need to go ahead and exit out of your Trust Wallet account. Then you could go ahead and open up a browser and type in mnemonic code converter. When you type in that, multiple links can appear, so you could go with the first one, that is BIP39, and this is going to take you to the official page. So what you can do is right on this page, scroll down a bit and make sure to select it to the word 12, and then you could go ahead and paste in the mnemonic or manually type in that. So that's basically how you can get your private key from Trust Wallet. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.